Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, again I had come up with an interesting topic on the different activities which are involved in the regular change management process. Now let's get into the details. So these are some of the steps involved in a typical change management process. So whenever you have any code fixes, you need to follow all these activities in order to migrate your code from your development environment to your production environment after taking care of required approvals. So the first thing is developer fixes the code in the development environment and completes the unit testing. And through an automated tool, the code gets migrated to the UAT environment, and then the users test in UAT environment and confirms the testing. And if users find that there is an issue with the functionality, and if they are not happy with the testing result, again it goes back to the developer again fixes the code in the development environment, completes the unit testing, and again through the automated tool the code gets migrated to UAT, and then again users test the UAT. So this cycle goes on till the user is happy and provides the UAT confirmation. And after the UAT is being done by the users, uh, the developer raises a CR in your concerned ticketing tool. So in our case, we were using a ServiceNow tool. In the ServiceNow tool, we raise a change request, and again, this CR needs to be approved by the user. And once that is approved by the user, we follow next level of approval, wherein application owner, that is the owner of that particular application. If it's a change within the general ledger module, so there is a concerned application owner. He also needs to review and approve the CR. Similarly, we have different application owner for different applications. And once it is approved by the application owner, then it goes to something called CCP board, that is change control board. So change control board meets once in a week, and the change control board discusses about all the changes of all different applications. So it is the responsibility of the developer to present the change to the CCP board, and if there are any questions which are asked in the CCP board, he need to explain or answer to the questions raised by the CCP board. And once they're happy with the answers, the CCP board approves the CR. And once the it's approved by the CCP board, the CR gets assigned to the sysadmin team, and the sysadmin team implements that particular change in the production. That is, they migrate the change from UAT environment to the production environment. And after that, the developer sends an email to the user saying that the CR is migrated to production, and the user can review and provide his confirmation. Once user confirms, the CR will be closed, and also the concerned ticket which was raised by the user when he originally had an issue will also be closed. So this is how we follow the regular change management process. Again, these are the steps which we have followed in one of our client. So these steps could be slightly different with different clients. Again, these are not like hard and fast rules. These steps can be different for different clients. And we follow the below steps for the emergency change management process. So in the case of emergency change management process, so basically for our client, the changes can be migrated to the production only once in a week. But if you have any kind of an emergency changes, that is wherein we cannot wait up to the next week for presenting our changes to CCP, we follow the below process. So basically, more or less, it's the same steps. Developer fixes the code in the development environment, completes the unit testing. It gets migrated to UAT. Users test in UAT and confirms the testing. We raise a CRN service now tool, which needs to be approved by user, application owner. And the step which is missing here is it will not go to the CCP because CCP meets once in a week. Let us assume if the CCP mode meets on every Monday, and let us assume we have this particular emergency change to be moved to production immediately. So take an example like the issue is raised by the user on say Tuesday, and we do not have time till next Monday to present our changes to CCP. So in those scenarios, we follow the emergency change management process. So what we do is like all these steps from step 1 to step 5 are same as that of the regular change management process, but our changes will not be present to CCP, but we have some other additional emergency approvals from the concerned stakeholders. And once those emergency approvals are received, the CR gets automatically pushed to the sysadmin team, and the sysadmin team implements the change, and then we confirm the user saying that the change is implemented in production, and user reviews and confirms that. So pretty much the emergency change management process follows the same steps as that of the regular change management process, except that the change will not be presented to the CCB, but all other steps are same. So this is what the different activities which are performed in the change management process. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.